Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to add ACF content analysis for Yoast SEO on your WordPress dashboard on your WordPress website. So search this plugin ACF content analysis for Yoast SEO and install and activate it. This is a very useful plugin that adds the content of all ACF fields to the Yoast SEO score analysis. So just you have to guys install and activate and use this plugin. Hopefully guys you like this plugin. If you have any query or error, so comment. I will try to answer your query and I will resolve your error. So thanks for watching and please share, like and subscribe this channel, and also guys please share your experience with this plugin.